Hello, boys and girls. So today we're working on writing again, and we are still working on our personal narratives. So remember, our big learning target is I can write a true story about me. So yesterday we worked on writing 3 or more pages using transition words. We worked on the middle of our story. So what do you guys think we're going to work on today? Yeah, we're going to work on the ending of our story. So our learning target today is I can find a way to end my story. So we can think about this using the story mountain or using the story sandwich. So on Monday, we worked on the beginning. We went up the story mountain on Tuesday and worked on the middle. So now we have to come back down from the story mountain and work on the end. Okay? Or if you would rather think about it this way, that's okay too. We worked on the top bun of our story sandwich. We worked on all of our condiments in the middle of our sandwich yesterday. Now today, we have to put a bottom bun on our sandwich so that it all does not fall out. So today we are working on the end. Okay, so one good thing that writers do before we start writing again is reread our entire story so that we know that it makes sense. So let's go back to our story that we've been working on about going to McDonald's and rereading it. Ready? One day I went to McDonald's. I was so thirsty. First, there's my transition word. I drove up to the drive-thru. I ordered my regular, a large coffee. Then I drove up to the next window. The worker handed me a steaming hot coffee. Suddenly, I took a big drink and spit it out everywhere. And then I put an exclamation point after that because I want you guys to make sure that I'm yelling it. Guys know that I'm yelling it. All right, so today we've got to work on the ending because right now I'm still at the top of that mountain and I need to make sure I come down. I have all of my condiments, but I need to make sure I put that bottom bun on top so that they don't all fall out. All right, so the way that I ended my story, I came down from the story mountain, as I said, finally, I went inside and asked for more sugar. So you guys know what I did after I spit the drink everywhere? That's how I fixed the problem in my story. I went inside and asked for more sugar because it was so gross. All right, so another way that we can end our stories is we have this poster from inside the classroom, and we can look at how they ended their story. They were talking about going to a birthday party, and how they ended their story. They said, last, I opened presents. My favorite gift was a duck hunt game. Then it was time for everyone to leave. It was a fun night. So they ended their story by talking about what their favorite gift was, and how it was time for everybody to leave and how fun it was. So if you guys are talking about a birthday party or doing something fun, you guys can talk about that last thing that you did and wrap it all up by saying that big favorite thing that you got. All right, so make sure you guys are working on the ending to your stories. You guys can start it with finally or last, or you guys can start it a different way too. Just make sure you get that bottom bun or the end of the story mountain on because we don't want to be stuck at that top and we don't want all of our condiments to fall out. All right, I hope you guys are doing awesome in your writing. I miss you all so much.